I come to the garden alone, while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear falling on my ear. The Son of God is closer, and He walks with me, and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. His peace, the sound of His voice, is so sweet, the bird has their singing, and the melody that He gave to me within my heart is raining, and He walks with me, and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. I stayed in the garden with Him through the night, around me be falling, but He bids me go through the voice of war. His voice to me is calling, and He walks with me, and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy